think because it had such a specific course for, like, I kind of knew I really wanted to work in theatre and I really wanted to see what film was like as well. And there's nothing really, like, I applied to AUT and Massey to do like fine arts and spatial design and stuff, but it just wasn't like as specific, and like there's something pretty special about Toi in the way that it's like smaller and much more of like you build relationships with people in a much more intimate way.
There's like each department of the kind of industry, and then we all work together here in the same place. I feel like quite a lot of other institutes I found were quite maybe detached from other sectors, or like didn't work in that kind of collaborative way.
Yeah.
But this place so clearly does, and it means you can make things together as a unit, which I was really interested in.
Yeah, because I had no clue about anything from the far north as well, so like I just knew this name was Toi, that was it. I knew nothing about anything else, and I think I had a look at Wycliffe in Auckland, fine arts, I didn't know what, but I think what made me think was like, how can I make money after this degree? And I think looking at that and being like, okay, so if I do fine arts, then what can I go into, what sector, what can I do? But I just had no clue, and I had no clue about anything, and even design. I just knew I liked to draw and paint and make things, and so I was like, okay, what can I do with that? I like being creative, and I think I was trying to find that thing. Yeah, I don't know, I just didn't know any other places, and so I was just like, let's go on a limb and apply for it, and we'll see how we go. I'm going to be very biased and go design the design thing, but I mean, that just looks, yeah,
Design
Manifest
exhibition.
just was new,
Yeah.
it's now Manifest, but it's new Manifest.
Yeah.
But that's pretty biased, but I mean, I couldn't say a favourite. I mean, all of them are different and different needs. So festival is the festival work in development, which is in the name work in development, and so everyone's building work.
That's my favourite.
Yeah.
I like
I'd say so
festival
too.
work in development because it's just like,
Get to see everybody's work.
yeah, everybody's putting up stuff, and all around the building it's like a creative like mansion for a while.
Yeah.
You know,
Whole
it's very
place lights
cool.
up
It's like a
and
palace full of
totally.
people just being like, I'm gonna try this. And
Come along and
everybody's-
watch it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If it fails, it fails. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It's
Yeah.
working.
And Toi Film goes pretty hard too.
Yeah.
Is that your
Toy
second
film.
favourite?
I do, yeah.
Slap.
For me, like every event that happens, I'm like, when it's happening, I'm like, this is my favourite event of the year.
Yeah.
I'm like, Toi Film is at the end of each year is when oh my god, do I know definitions? I do.
It's got more like
It
final
is, it's when there's three toy films made each year with usually the final year acting students and the final year design students and industry professionals. So
And like costumiers and managers.
oh yeah, totally.
Yeah.
Everyone totally is so
just
right.
chips in.
Yeah, and
Absolutely.
so those films are shown, and then also the films that are made by usually final year students and a bunch of collaborators.
And we have like a red carpet.
Yeah, red
dress
carpet
up.
little
invite
thing. It's
all
real
the
cool.
people.
It's a nice.
Yeah,
It's a
yeah.
good vibe because
It's
it's always
really legit, yeah.
It's
Yeah.
really cool being able to see your work on the big screen and like always having that opportunity to put it up. Like you never really ever think about your own work being up on the big screen. You always see it on your laptop or on the TV or something. But then going to the embassy and you're like, wow, like seeing it on, you're like.
Yeah.
Be open to intense work, and there will be heartache and there will be tears and blood and sweat, but it ends up being like it ends up not going to waste, if that makes sense. Like it seems like a lot at the start, but I think it's you got to want to be here in order to get the learning you want from it. I think it's the best opportunity. So if you like just know what it sounds weird, but know what you're getting yourself into before you, like, if you apply and come here, that's fine, but just know that there will be a lot of work that is done, and it's just, wanting to be here will make it easier. Right.
I have a few friends who think they want to apply, and I say, like, do applicants weekend. Like, don't not apply and maybe, again.
Or like just don't even do applicants weekend,
don't-
just apply and just do
show
it.
up.
Like,
No, I mean, they're kind of like, should I apply or should I not
Yeah,
apply?
yeah.
And I think, I always say like, you should apply and do applicants and then make choices, because I think that like applicants is a really reasonable representation
Yep.
of what we do here.
Yep.
So like, yeah, so just coming along and being in the space and even mildly doing what we do here in Applicants Weekend is like a good taste, because I definitely think it's something that you should kind of experience even a little bit before you choose whether or not it's like what you want.
What Rio was saying is like know why you want to be here. Like I think because it's 3 years, like in 3 years of quite hard work, like you kind of have to have something that you think you're gonna get out of it. That's like quite tangible, because like legit you can go and do this without having a degree. You can go and do this and learn as you go, but this gives you a different thing. It gives you quite a large network already built in, and like lots of people to connect with and learn from and make work with.